Septic odors inside a tiny house are preventable with targeted plumbing and maintenance practices designed for tight spaces. Keep trap seals full by running water through every fixture at least weekly, and pour a cup of vegetable oil in rarely used drains to slow evaporation of the water seal. Verify venting by confirming a dedicated ventilation pipe runs from the fixture drains to above the roofline and is free of blockages. If the house uses a combined mechanical ventilation system, balance airflows to avoid creating negative pressure that siphons traps. Ensure septic tank lids are secure and risers are sealed with flexible, gas-tight gaskets so soil gases cannot migrate into the crawl space or slab cavity. When inspecting, look for hairline cracks or loose bolts and replace worn seals promptly. Use a short activated carbon cartridge or sleeve near the top of vent stacks as an extra odor polishing stage, but do not obstruct airflow. Replace the media every 3 months or sooner if you detect breakthrough odor. Check for cross connections between gray water and black water lines by tracing piping back to the tank and testing drains with non-pathogenic dye to reveal incorrect routing. Monitor for vacuum conditions caused by undersized vents or rapid fixture operation and correct them by increasing vent diameter or adding an air admittance valve rated for outdoor exposure and compatible with local codes. Common issues include dried traps in seldom used fixtures, which you can fix by periodically pouring water and a small amount of biodegradable dish soap down the drain to restore the seal. Another frequent cause is restricted or improperly terminated venting that leads to negative pressure and trap siphoning. Remedy this by inspecting vent terminations above roofline and clearing debris or extending the vent to a higher point. A third problem is loose tank lids or unsealed risers allowing soil gas to enter living spaces. Tighten bolts, replace gaskets, and use a flexible sealant around riser joints to prevent migration of odors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who handle septic modifications and tiny house plumbing projects, and it connects contractors with work opportunities in nearby communities. We also host a discussion community where owners and professionals share practical tips, ask questions about venting and trap maintenance, and post photos and part numbers for successful fixes.